Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Athi uMabasa yena uzosho into ayibonayo and then another expert will come and tell the court ukuthi bona babonani. Is there anything like that, guys? Umnisi uhleke. Balelani, balelwa i-gold tooth. Wayibona phi wena i-gold tooth? At some stage mambuza athi, I know, gold is goldish. Guys, now futhi amanye ama-highlights amancane around this guy. Yo, hayi uMabasa nayo kuyobazenza umuntu ongazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani when you've been working with these things for so long. To a point Umnisi was like, you are a seasoned expert. Awuzazi izinto zakho but beke kangaki uMabasa engakwazi ukuphendula Umnisi. Umnisi wazi wamhleka literally, guys. I was just like, hawa nawe. Because we hlekise no-advocate Charles Mnisi ngale ndlela. Why can't you just give this guy the answers that he needs? So athi indlela obone ngayo leli golide as a seasoned expert and a policeman. So when in your mind awuboni ukuthi ngempela this can't be gold. Athi no, angikaze ngize ngibone. Guys, mina yabe bese ngimdabukela guys uMabasa. Mina bengasathandi, to be honest with you. Umnisi bese ehlala ngoMabasa esemhleka. At some stage athi no man, you can't be saying that. Kusho Umnisi guys esho kuMabasa. Athi uMabasa mina ngibonile engikubonile. In any case, i-defense ingaqhubeka yona ibone whatever they want to see. Guys, Umnisi lapho uhleke wazwabheka phezulu. Wathi wena, what do you mean mawuthi Tina, we don't have to prove anything, we don't have to do anything. Esimthethisi. As defense, that's not our job. We don't have to do anything. Athi uMabasa i-defense ingahamba yona iyibonela ngokwayo and identify some things that I couldn't see. Yo guys, and give reports. Athi Umnisi, you didn't even see properly. You're not even sure what you saw gold. Athi no, Umabasa. My first statement was that it was gold and I saw gold. Yo guys, I went about gold. I tell you, that's why it's about this statement. Actually, it's exhausted now. We are tired. Can we move on? Athi uMabasa, it's up to the defense to prove me wrong. Mina, I saw gold. Athi Umnisi, but you've been on the police force for a long time. Why would defense want to prove anything? Hey, guys. Umnisi, let's forget about defense trying to prove anything. Did you see gold now or not? When on the 12th, when you said you saw gold, so it was speculation and guesswork. As you know, I saw gold. Umnisi was shouting at him, as even today you're not so sure if you saw gold. So you're going to have to use my terminology and say you saw gold. You thought this was gold. This guy was like totally playing mind games with this guy. Naye kodwa uMabasa ezobethi, to me it looks gold. And Umnisi akafuna ama-answers akanjalo, guys. To you it looks gold. Is it gold? Just say it. Is it gold or not? And Umnisi actually hasn't even given us the report on accused number 3's dental examination. But we just assuming all of us who are able, we had a positive. Uguti. For us, I mean, need defense. Lomuntu lo akaza zabena equal tooth. It's the same as the Ntanzi. It's also the same thing. And then the dental, or should I say the dentist actually, not the dental specialist. Kwa dentist ya figure Ntanzi. Amba manga. Hey, I've never seen umuntu ngamanga dentist in my whole life. Umnisi hasn't really told us, but it's decided vele ukuthi ena. This is why umbona ekanjena ngithi uDr. Ronnie Sibanda. Ngoba naye ufuna ukwakhe ukuthi abone ukuthi uzophuma kanjani kule nto ngoba how are they coming out of this? I even made a video about that ukuthi how are they coming out of these lies? The gold tooth can't come out. So Ronnie Sibanda manje vele by operator engekho right, shady and sneaky at the same time. Like, who even does that? Nabo they trying their own way now to come out, and they always do that. In case ubalu ama-tactics akhe akanjalo. That's why esefundise nomntwana omncane. Angitshela lo muntu lo uDr Sibanda has a whole career ahead of him, and ubhizi wenzani into engekho right. Ubalo isidani, ubalo imdala. Asanandaba urathake nje vele-ke ugcinile ngale case kaSenzo Meyiwa. There's nothing else that he's gonna do. I even think he's not even gonna finish it, because bazobe bamstophe bathi hayi usumdala wena. Ezinye izinto nje usu-just too much, awusazi ukuthi wenzani, you know. Abasa Nkosi sami sisaqhubeka nestori sakhe ukuthi to me it looks gold. That is why I said it's gold. Athumnisi wena, that's not gonna cut it with me. Uthini? Athumnisi, I'm not an expert in gold, but nje ayigolide mina ngiliboni. Kodwa umnisi guys besidlala ngalo mntana abantu athi mina ngilibonile igolide, since I'm not an expert. I see something shiny there. Wena ubuka ngathi into kanjani, what does it look like? Athi it looks like a teeth. But I guess mhlawumbe it was teeth, but I think uMabasa meant a tooth. Uyabona? Ayizabona nje uMabasa bese into kamnisi guys, the sarcasm there and the gaslighting as in a high. Athi umnisi yini ndaba ngathi you seem to have difficulty explaining yourself around this gold tooth situation. Why ungasho ukuthi it's gold? Abesethi umnisi mhlambe something like mawubuka wena tooth that's shiny there inani futhi enye that you can see. Athi you are pushing me. Yabona uMabasa nazo. Athi you are pushing me to say something. Avele athi uMabasa, I see a tooth covered in gold. Hayi umnisi nje guys obesedlala ngoMabasa guys, esekhuluma nane-Afrikaans athi uMabasa, yes ngayenza phela Afrikaans. I'm one of those people who want to education, but I mean it was a long time ago. Like I understand ukuthi umnisi uthini again guys, like it was so hard. Oh my gosh, it was hard. Kuye kwalamula nje ukuthi you know what, sekuzoba i-break, it's i-break. Just a lot for umntana abantu, and I just feel like he's not prepared and he's actually unfocused and he's all over the place. Bandla uMabasa uvela ngabe sazi ngoba at some stage bese bexabana nomnisi. Sime lapho guys. Thank you so much guys, ngiyana appreciate kakhulu and for helping this channel a lot with the views. Ngithanda over guys. Thank you.